crypto.com withdraw to external wallet. Now, if you want to withdraw crypto.com to external wallet, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch crypto.com, and once you launch crypto.com, here you have to simply go to the transfer option. Once you go to transfer option from crypto wallet, you can say deposit or withdraw. Now, since we're trying to withdraw it, we will select withdraw, and on the next page you have a couple of options, but you have to just look for the external wallet option, because you might see crypto.com there, you might see exchange over there, but you have to select external wallet. And once done, you can simply paste the wallet address depending upon whichever wallet you're trying to get the money to or the crypto to. Then you can go ahead and then simply paste that over there, and you'll be able to withdraw to external wallet. That's all it takes to withdraw from crypto.com to external wallet. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.